Do you want to hide photos on Instagram without deleting it? Well, this video is for you. Let's start. The following steps are the same for both iPhone and Android devices. Now let's first open the Instagram app and log into your account. Next, go to your profile section by tapping on the icon in the lower right corner. After that, choose the photo that you want to hide or archive. For example, let's choose this photo. Tap on the three dots on the top right. Next, tap on Archive option. Now the photo is hidden on your profile, and anyone who visits your profile won't see that photo or the post. Now, if you want to undo it, simply click on the three horizontal lines on the upper right corner of your profile. Tap on the Archive option on the Settings menu, and here you can see all the archive stories, posts, or live that you have. Select the Post Archive to locate the photo that you want to unhide. Next, simply choose that photo and tap on the three dots at the top and select the Show on Profile option. And that's it for today's video. This has been your go-to channel for gaming content, Gaming Family. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave your comments below. See you on the next videos.